Alrighty, we just left Bethesda Wildlife Management. We're now at Bert Maxwell boat ramp. As you can see, we got a nice wood pier that you can fish from. I believe this is the Trout River. We got a little grackle down there. Looking for a handout. Maybe this will give you some indication of where we're fishing. We're fishing from the shore. There's Mom. She's casting under the bridge. There's some kind of little picnic area. They got, let's see, it looks like 5 tables all along. Right there. And you continue to pan around. There's the parking lot. The boat ramp's further down that way. It's a big cement boat ramp. Appears to be some kind of apartments or condominiums there. Not really sure. And basically cast off their own back porch if they want to. Bug biting me. Sorry about that. Pan back in just a little bit. Other side. It's big enough and deep enough for boats to go riding by, that's for sure. Okay, I'll walk down just a little bit. Here's a look down the pier. From the edge of this thing here to the water appears to be 2.5 feet, maybe 3 feet deep. I mean, from the top of the water. Something's floating in the water there. Once again, a parking lot here. There's the way in and out. There's the road up there. We got adequate parking out here. Piece of trash floating in the water. That was an alligator head at first. These animals know to beg. You know, people like throw up bread and meat and whatnot. There's the boat ramp. It's very wide. It's like 2 people can offload at the same time. It's nice brand new cement boat ramp. Oh well. This is about as far as I'm going to head down and turn back around. Get too far away from the mom. Some of these cars just come out here and park and sit in their cars and don't know what their intentions are. Up there is public restrooms, men's and women's both. I'm about to wrap this up and put this thing away and continue fishing. It's not a bad place to fish, really. We got the dock there to fish off of. And it's too hot for that. You can fish in the shade on land. Alrighty. A nice little canopy here under these, at least this picnic table anyway. Of course, if you want, you can cast off the shore here. I said earlier, it's only about 3 feet from the shore down to the top of the water. Okay, well, this will do it for this video. I'm going to shut her down since I'm back to where I was fishing. Once again, this is the Bert Maxwell boat ramp. The Trout River here. Maybe one last look down this way. Zoom all the way. And zoom it back out some. A wider view.